to Haiti since the earthquake. We've been going, a number of us have been going down 2 to 3 times a year, and the goal of all this, of course, was to teach both the local non-dermatologists and also at the medical school. Well, we've developed a very long series, not a long series, a week series of lectures and so on to give to the medical students. That's all prepared. It's all done in French. It's going to be put on a CD in French. We've contacted the medical school in Cap Haitian, which is on the northern end, had very little damage. And we hope to go in September, provide that to the Cap Haitian Medical School, and then when the other schools are up and running, we'll go back and we'll continue what we're doing. We have reports from the Vice Dean of the National Medical School in Port-au-Prince that the school is essentially destroyed. We were in contact with Lumiere Medical School. It's a second private school. And from the one contact we have there, they told us the school is gone. Many of the faculty and students were killed. So those are pretty much destroyed, at least as we've heard. We did a lot of work in Léogâne, which is about 40 miles west of Port-au-Prince, and it was even more damaged. The first reports we got is that it was not damaged. That was totally wrong. Apparently 90% of the buildings in Léogâne are collapsed. The hospital we were working at, Holy Cross Hospital, or in French, Saint Croix, apparently is flat. There was another hospital called Cardinal Auger. It was run by some missionary sisters. There were 6. Their houses collapsed. Their hospital's gone. All the other buildings are destroyed, but their clinic is still intact, and they're planning to rebuild. The orphanage that we were working at apparently is collapsed. So all of that is in pretty much disarray. Now the interesting part is that the Gates Foundation built a building for those going down to study filariasis, one of the endemic disorders down there. And the engineers from Notre Dame said, you know, this is on an earthquake-prone area, even though they hadn't had one. And they reinforced it. And that building apparently has not a crack in it.